remember good.
Yeah, we peeps. So we'll be outside on night time and do it, you know? Yeah, man. See? That's it. That is it. Come on. So you know, so we're outside on night time. We are doing it, you know, people. Yeah, my peeps. We're outside on night time and do it, you know? Yeah, man. See? Yeah, man. See it? Oh, the outside.
You say a brown and come there.
One go, we go, you know.
You're going to the phone to say no, it's inside of you.
So yeah, we do the right thing, you know, my peeps. I go miss the people, you know. Yeah, man, from the heart. We really miss. Yeah, man, so. We go, my people. Yeah, man, that's the thing, though, you know.
You call him. Where the boy?
Yeah, man, touchdown at the big city of Toronto.
Then he said make sure it's a lock off.
Wait for people, you know. Gotta come to the life of travel, you know. On the ground, we have to beat it, you know. Out of the airport at Toronto, Canada. Out here. See? Yeah. Yeah, my people. So, now the time is till the time, you know. Time is something after 11 at night, you know. And the next flight, 8 o'clock in the morning, so we have to get some rest of that, you know. Yeah, man. Outside on night time, them people, you know. Yeah, man. Now we are move on to catch last flight, you know. We go to final destination. You see it. Yeah. So remember good, we outside on night time. Outside on night time. It's just a lot today. See my peeps, outside again, so we are move on to our next flight. So we are going now, Vancouver, BC, you know? The great Wolfman, right here, so.
No, I know. Shots I chuck off in the water.
Girl in Jamaica, you know, we are going to get here. Yeah, man.
Exactly.
outside. Man, nice plane, yeah.
Welcome aboard your Air Canada flight. My name is Consuelo and I'm your service director today.
So yeah, my people now, we take off, you know. I head off down to Kelowna, you know. You know what I mean, with people. So, show now I go on outside. And so yeah, I end up go up on the runway, my people. See it?
If your electronic device falls in your seat, do not move your seat or try to retrieve it yourself, as it poses a fire hazard. Notify your cabin crew immediately to ensure the safe retrieval of the device.
Si votre appareil électronique glisse dans votre siège, ne bougez pas votre siège et n'essayez pas de le récupérer, au risque d'un incendie. Avertissez immédiatement le personnel de cabine afin qu'il le récupère en toute sécurité.
Should an emergency happen, place your feet flat on the floor and top of head against the seat in front of you.
Placé dans la pochette ou le porte-revue près de vous, explique les nombreuses mesures de sécurité propres à cet avion. Veuillez en prendre connaissance avant le décollage.
Likewise, you know.
If there is a need to evacuate the aircraft, leave your baggage behind and follow the floor lighting to the nearest emergency exit.
S'il faut évacuer l'avion, laissez vos bagages à bord et suivez l'éclairage au plancher jusqu'à l'issue la plus proche.
With transparent, all-inclusive.
Yeah, man, up we gone, my people, up there. Up there. Right up there, man.
Flight 10 is 30 minutes landing.
We have to touch them and all my people. Man, so pilot to lower the plane, you know. Man, we are touchdown in a Kelowna, you know. To a final destination, my people. Believe now, man. Final land, we are landing here now, you know. Touch on it, put it on good, you know. Put it on good. Put it on good. That is it, my father. Believe now, man. I look like in Cantapi. Final. You could have do it better than that though.
Yeah, better than the next one.
Mama people, so you
Hello,
know.
Kenyans. Welcome to Kelowna. The local time is 10:37 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your baggage stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Smoking is not permitted. You may verify your flight status and find gate information for your connecting flights using the Air Canada mobile app or visiting with one of our colleagues on the ground. Thank you for choosing Air Canada, member of Star Alliance, for your travels today.
finally land, finally reach the final destination, my people. That is it. So we are go. We are go. Come on for the plane now, you know? Yeah, man.
Alright, Marco.
Just touching. See it? I hit that. Heading, you know? Just touch out that big jet there. So we come to Kelowna. Kelowna Airport. That's it, my peeps. Finally make it to a destination, you know? Yeah, man. So yeah, head to the baggage area now. We claim the baggage, you know? The luggage. Yeah, man. Best believe. Ooh, this is it. So yeah, my people, you know, we end up clear out at the airport and thing. You never get no clipper when we receive we luggage, but yeah, because we did plan some fast move, you know. So now we're there at the bank, you know, do the account and thing with people. So yeah, man, and we do have to do some shopping today, but we have to do that the next day, tomorrow to be exact, yeah, because what we are going to do now, we just go grab some food. We can last week can make a meal for the night, my peeps, and then tomorrow come back fresh again and things, stuff like that, my peeps. So still at the bank, you know, some of the other guys they do, you know, take care of them account as well. Yeah, man, but me do mine and get through, so yeah, man. So as soon as we finish, we go ahead get some food with peeps and things. We don't know, maybe we'll grab some KFC, some stuff like that, or yeah, man. So that is it with peeps.